Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about Google Wallet. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support